Canva, has 220 million users. Adobe Express has Creative Cloud's 33 million subscribers behind it. Figma holds 80 to 90% of the UI/UX market. But here's what most comparison articles miss. These three tools were built for three completely different users and distinct professional tasks. Canva was built for the non-designer who needs a professional social graphic in 5 minutes. It's about accessibility and speed for everyone. Adobe Express was built for Creative Cloud users who want Canva's ease with Firefly's commercially safe AI and integration. Figma was built for professional designers building systems, prototypes, and component libraries. It is the gold standard for interface architecture. The pricing before the features, because the headline numbers hide costs that change the math completely. Let's look at the real numbers. Canva Pro costs $15 per month, but Canva Teams underwent a dramatic pricing restructuring, shifting to a per seat model at $10 each. A 5-person team went from $120 to $500 per year, a 300% increase. The bigger hidden cost is AI credit consumption. Every generation attempt counts. Run 5 prompt variations and you've burned 5 credits. Heavy users may need the $100 AI pass. Adobe Express undercuts Canva significantly at $4.99 per seat for the first year. For Creative Cloud subscribers, it is included. Canva's AI story is Magic Studio. Magic Design generates layouts from prompts, while Magic Resize adapts designs to every platform simultaneously. Magic Layers, introduced in 2026, breaks flat images into editable layers in seconds. A capability that previously required expert Photoshop skills. Adobe Express wins on commercial copyright indemnification. Firefly is trained exclusively on licensed Adobe stock imagery and public domain content. Adobe provides IP indemnification for enterprise customers. For agencies serving high-profile clients, Adobe Express is the only defensible choice. Figma wins the professional design job. It offers component libraries with shared variables and dev mode that translates specs into code. Here is the decision framework. Who will use this tool? Small owners need Canva. Commercially safe ads need Adobe. Product teams need Figma. The optimal 2026 setup: Figma for the brand system, owned by designers. Canva for content execution, used by the broader marketing team. The most common mistake: forcing one tool into every job. Canva for speed, Adobe for safety, Figma for systems. Match the tool to the job. Full guide is linked in the description. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to AI Buzz for more insights.